Optimize your content strategy with Umbraco Engage's A/B testing, designed to help you discover what really works. With Umbraco Engage, setting up an A/B test is fast and simple. Choose the element you want to test, whether it's a headline, call to action, or layout, and effortlessly create variations to experiment with. Once your test is live, Umbraco Engage begins collecting data instantly. Track how users interact with each variation in real time, comparing metrics like engagement and conversions to see which version performs better. When the data is in, Umbraco Engage makes it easy to analyze the results. Quickly see which variation drove more conversions or led to higher engagement, so you can confidently make decisions based on user behavior. With the winning variation identified, implementing it on your site is seamless. Watch as your optimized content helps boost engagement and conversion rates. Unlock the power of experimentation with Umbraco Engage A/B testing. Ready to get started? Book a demo today.